Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another exciting episode of Stitches with Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful and easy designed handmade beaded bags. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So you cut your fish line. You make sure it's long enough. You cut it off. We are using 0.60 mm. You make sure you have the ends of the fish line. You pick 4 beads. Then you fix on any side of the fish line, be it the right side or the left side. You fix all 4 beads. So you have it like this, and then you cross with the 4th bead using the other side of the fish line. You make sure you have the ends of the fish line, you pull it out, so one side will be longer than the other. Then you have your first ring done. And then you pick 3 beads, fix one on each fish line, fix one on the right fish line, fix one on the left fish line. And then you cross with the 3rd bead using both fish lines. You make sure you have the ends and then you pull it out. Please make sure it's very tight. And then you have your 2nd ring done. Going on, you pick 3 beads again, fix one on each fish line, cross with the 3rd bead using both fish lines. You pull it out. And then you have your 3rd ring done. Then going on to the 4th on this fish line, you fix 3 beads, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out, and then you have your fish line turned for you to weave to the other end. So going on this fish line, you fix 3 beads, cross with the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line, which is my right fish line. You pull it out, so you have a fish line turned completely for you to weave to the other end. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. Then you fix 2 beads on the left fish line, cross the 2nd bead using the right fish line. You pull it out. Please make sure you pull it very tight. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. Then you fix 2 beads again on the left fish line, cross to the 2nd bead using the right fish line. You pull it out. And then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. This time on this fish line, you fix 2 beads, cross to the 2nd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out. And then you have it like this. And then on this fish line, you fix 3 beads, cross to the 3rd bead using the other side of the fish line. You pull it out, and then you weave on with the same method. So this is what you should have. So I made 4 on each side. It should be equal on each side. So we have 4 on each side, and I made the same thing offline, the same material. I'm going to join it together. So my fish line is long enough, and I'm going to use the same thing for that. So on this fish line, you fix 1 bead, and then with that same fish line where you fix the bead, you go through the 1st bead on the other side. As you can see, you pull it out, so you have it like this. And then you pick 1 bead and cross it both sides of the fish line. And then you pull it out. Please make sure you pull it very tight. And then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next bead. and then you pick one bead again and cross it both sides of the fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next bead. Pick one bead again and cross it both sides of the fish line. You pull it out. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next bead, and then you weave again. And then you turn it over. Then with the right fish line, you go through the next bead. With the left fish line, you go through the next bead. And then you weave on with the same method throughout till you get to the end, leaving the top side. So this is what you should get after you are done. You should have it like this. You should have 3 sides covered, leaving the top side. And we are going to make the handle for the bag. So I'm going to use this fish line because it's long enough to weave the handle. So you make sure you have the ends separately. Then you pick 4 beads, fix all 4 beads on one side of the fish line. So you have it like this. Then you pick 4 beads again, and then fix on the other side of the fish line, fix all 4 beads. And then you have it like this. So you pull it down, and then you have it like this. So you are not done yet. You still join them together, the fish lines together, and then you fix the beads. So both fish lines should go through the beads now. So you have it like this too. So this is how you should be looking. So we are going to fix more beads. That is about 20 or 19. Yeah, so we can join it to the other end. So I have 19 now, or you can make it 20 if you want. We are going to do the same thing. So you open the fish lines and then fix 4 beads on both sides like this. So you have it like this, and then we are going to attach it on this side. So with the right fish line will come out from the left side, and the left fish line will come out from the right side. So this is what you should get. We have it attached. So you are going to pass the fish line through, especially the handle, to make it very firm, because the handle carries the weight of the bag. So you need to take your time and pass everything through, and I'm doing that off camera. So this is what you should get after you are done passing your excess fish lines through the handle. As you can see, I have my handle very firm now. So we are done with this. And now we are going to fix in the drawstring bag. So you fix it inside, then you can put your things in it and then close it up, and then you have your easy designed handmade beaded bag done. So this is what we are doing, or this is the design for this simple but unique handmade beaded bag. And feel free to increase the size of the mat if you want your bag big. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more and more of my tutorials. Make sure to comment and share as well. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.